Today, we're adding a multicolor disco effect to give your video a lively, party-ready vibe. Start by selecting the video clip you want to apply the effect to in the timeline. Next, head over to the Effects tab on the right-hand side. Scroll down or search for disco in the search bar to find the effect. Once you find the disco effect, click on it and it will instantly apply to your video, transforming it with vibrant flashing colors, perfect for a high energy scene. The disco effect automatically adjusts the colors, creating a lively, multicolored flash that moves throughout the clip. There are no sliders to adjust, but you can try layering the effect over different sections of your video or combining it with other effects to create the perfect party atmosphere. And that's it. You've added the disco effect and made your video colorful and full of energy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Clipchamp tutorials and creative tips.